Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue you are unable to reset your PC. So there are multiple reasons behind this error, but the first one is Windows corruption and the second one is Windows advanced environment variables is not set up and it is disabled on your Windows. So how to enable that? First of all, just open the CMD and we can try it at least and run as administrator simply. Now we need to type here the command. So once you open the command prompt, you need to type here the command reagentc space / disable. Now once you disable it, you need to re-enable it. Okay, just press the up arrow key or just retype it, reagentc space / enable. And once you enable and disable both the options here, check back if that fix your issue or not. It should fix your issue. It will enable the operation and it will start your Windows to reset. If this method is also not working, guys, again open the command prompt as admin and type out the command sfc space / scannow. And this command will repair your Windows corruption, if any. This will take some time and it will go to 100%. After that, we will hit another command. Now this command is completed. You can see here it has found some corruption but successfully repaired them. Now the next command you need to type here is DISM space this slash. So this is the command, guys. You can see here online space / cleanup hyphen image, then again space / restore health. So this is the command. This will again go to 100%. You just need to wait here. I will give this command into my description box directly. You can directly copy and paste these all the commands here, this one and these also. And once this is 100% is completed, you just need to restart your Windows and try to reset your PC again, and it should fix your issue now. So guys, you will see the window is stuck here in some point of time and some percentage of time. You just need to wait here until it goes to 100%, and after that restart your Windows and your issue will be fixed. If your issue is still not resolved, guys, so let's just click on here start menu on Windows 11, then go to settings. And once you go to setting, click on here system icon, this option, and look for recovery option here. So this is the recovery. Restart your window into advanced startup mode. Just click on restart, again restart, and window is going to restart in advanced recovery mode. Now click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options and click on startup repair, and this will repair your Windows. So wait for the process to complete here. And if you see this error, so just more options, and even you can also reset your PC from here as well. Just click on remove everything or keep files, whatever you like here. So these are the possible ways to fix this issue, guys. If nothing works for you, just make a bootable pen drive and install a fresh window on your laptop or system. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.